Boomi's integration platform revolutionizes manufacturing by connecting systems, streamlining data, and driving innovation. Say goodbye to information silos and hello to seamless connectivity, real-time visibility, and informed decision-making. With Boomi, manufacturers can automate operations for efficiency and reliability, respond swiftly to market changes, enhance productivity and scalability. Boomi's low-code integration approach enables rapid solution deployment so you can adapt quickly to changing business needs. Plus, its flexibility supports growth, integrating diverse applications and data sources, both on-premises and in the cloud. Boost your manufacturing agility with Boomi's integration platform. Partner with Ray Business Technologies to streamline operations. Empower advanced technologies. Drive innovation. Contact us today to unlock the full potential of Boomi's integration platform and transform your manufacturing business.